black man and child. You know what I've been realizing lately? Everywhere I go when I rock my natural hair, it's like the men just light up like, wow. It's like they're looking at royalty. And look at the kinks on our set this morning. Absolute royalty. Now, my people, the Bantu knots, some of you like to put the Chinese up in it. I don't like to say Chinese bump, but you know, originally our people would say the Chinese bump. We call it the Bantu knots or the Zulu twist. It's more than just a random hairstyle, my people. We are going to share a few facts about the Bantu knots. We're going to throw some... You okay, Miss Lil? Come back over. Okay. All right, cough over there because, you know, no corona up in this thing. You know. Anyway, we're going to have a challenge, right? We're going to take our ladies, our very special colleagues here. You can see some pictures. And we're going to create some Bantu knots live on set. And the best creation will be the winner.
No,
all right?
Are you guys serious?
It's a challenge.
They don't win already.
No, man. I'm going to give you a chance. There you can see.
I don't want a chance.
Bantu knots, traditionally an African hairstyle, typically worn by women, where the hair is sectioned off into parts and twisted into knots around the head, as you can see. All right? Some European folks like to call it mini buns. We will not call them mini buns. Neville has a head start with Tiffany over there. We've seen many international stars rocking that hairstyle, like Rihanna, Lauryn Hill, Empress Golding. I'm putting myself in the international star category. The coiled hairstyle has been reinvented by many ethnic groups over the years, but popularized by the Bantu people. The word Bantu is a generic name for more than 300 groups, largely in the southern, eastern, and central parts of Africa. Bantu, basically in many languages, meaning the people. I want into the water spray. Oh, there you go. Hi, Marissa. How are you? One of our most creative persons here at TVJ. What's wrong? All right. This is the Bantu knots now. You got to wet the hair a little sometimes because you want to kind of get that, what do you call it now? Get a little easier with the comb. I'm not going comb.
By the way, Marissa is not only a graphic artist,
Head down and lift. I'm too short for this
national karate champion.
Talk the truth now, Mr. Bill. You know things.
Who may wrap up this up now? And this now, this lady right here, is Tiffany. I won't tell you what Tiffany is.
Tiffany is a makeup artist and singer.
But Tiffany, after me, hold on. See one there? No one that.
So keep going.
Hold on, it's not one that. Look at that. It's not one that, people. Mom, yeah, see there. Yeah, me if you do more. Me I do my version. Me not have a part, nothing.
You know you were Googling that all night. That's why you were here late.
No, what?
How to do Bantu knots. That's what you were Googling.
The only problem I have the great tips. Thank you. I don't know how long that going last. The breeze blow that I'm going to pull out back.
No, man. Mine do 2 days now.
If it look like me, no, Mary. Don't touch it.
Actually, his look quite cute. Mine kind of. Yeah, mine do. So how long do we have?
We don't have no longer than now.
You know, can I just say something?
I
just think, the other day I was with a colleague, yesterday.
Because I like the bush. I don't want her to twist up everything.
You like the African kink out?
Yeah, I give 2 twists and the rest is the bush.
That's
the only problem I have.
Can I
don't
tell you
know
the story I'm trying to tell you now? Don't look at my style. Just listen to me.
The same thing, I got me at the thing.
Okay. But see, Marissa's hair
problem
longer, so mine taking long.
So wrap it round and
wow, your hair has some length, girl.
No,
so anyway.
That don't look so wonderful at all. That look like twins.
Let's make it a little tighter.
Make it a little tighter. That's the problem I have.
Tiffany, who say if you talk?
Well, then give me
you don't worry about
Marissa, you can talk too. You have permission.
I have nothing to say.
Never
do.
I like to wait as I go.
But you're one nice and have part and thing.
Never just do the thing,
different.
You know, I should have done them a little bigger due to time. I know. Yeah. Right, Marissa? I think I'm going to give you 3. I'm going to go bigger as we get to the... Because I don't know how long.
2 more.
I'm tired, man. You just leave that so much. Her is much better.
You know, I'm trying to say something and nobody's hearing me. Do more, never do more.
No, I want to hear the band.
No, listen to me now. Yesterday I was at a function
I
And
would
one
like
of
to
the
hear the
colleagues
band.
said at the function she was wearing her wig and said she was wearing her corporate hair. Now, you know, Auntie Empress was like, corporate hair is a European wig looking hairstyle.
Yeah.
Look at our corporate hair,
Leave that one
TVJ.
alone, sir.
Look at our sisters. I'm going to go big, Marissa, because of time, at the backs, the back ones. All right. So anyway, corporate hair should be your African kink, Jamaican women.
I would
Corporate
like to
hair
hear
should be
the
your
band.
Bantu knots, should be your braids, should be your locks, should be your afro. Let no colonized business tell you that your corporate hair must look like a European. We will no longer be colonized. Right, Tiffany? What you say about that?
Do I
know
have
you
to-
have your view.
Do I have to pay to hear the band? That's all I want to know.
We're not hearing the band yet. We haven't chosen the winner of the hairstyle. I'm not finished.
I finished.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to give you a cool
I
style.
never give up.
Don't. I'm trying to give you a quick
All
style.
right, so we're going to go for a break and
Wait,
then the
no,
band?
man, no. I want to show the people the
All right.
hairstyle.
All right, we're out of here. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh my gosh, it's not.
I'll be here with Daily tomorrow. We start at 6 o'clock.
The show done?
Fabulous 5 started back in 1970.
trying to
And they
believe
still have
this
2 original members over there. 5 musicians and a singer when they started. And now I think they have about 6 or 7.
Can we just choose a winner
Frankie
first?
and
Look at the style,
Friends.
man. Look at my style, people.
No, you win.
Do
You
I
win.
win? Wait.
Here's Fabulous 5.
Show them now. Show them.